to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
I got this 2006 Pontiac G6. I had got it doing some body work, if y'all can recall. I had tucked the panoramic out and put one of my sprayers in, but I had did the body work on a box Chevy, and they gave me the G6. And I'm finally getting around to it, trying to, get it running. I'm gonna make this my daily driver. I had to change some shift solenoids. I already did that, so, it ain't in no bad condition. It got like 145,000 something miles on it. But the paint, peeling, I'll probably get around sometime to paint it. But on this video here, we're gonna do something with these headlights. Now I could go out and buy some, but these not too bad. I'm gonna try to bring them back with some clear coat. I'm gonna take me some sandpaper. I think I got some 400 right here, 400 grit, wet sandpaper. And I just scuff everything up, clean it as well. That's gonna be the first step with the sandpaper. See, it looks like it's already coming back to life just by sanding it. But once it dry, once that water dry, it's gonna be dull. So let me finish it on. Thinking about taking these headlights out. I could leave them in and do them on the car, but I think it'll be a lot better and even quicker if I just take them out, because it's just two bolts up here that I gotta take out and pull the front bumper out. They'll come right out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take them out and just spray them on a stand or something. Be a lot easier. Then I can get it all up under here as well. So let me take them out right now. It won't take long to take off. I gotta change the bulbs anyway. Put some LEDs in. All right, let's carry on. Got them sanded down. Now we'll take us some soap and water, clean it up real good, spray it off. So I got the lights drying off. While they drying off, I'm gonna put my tips and my nozzle back in my spray gun. I'll be spraying out this Saddle Jet, Mini Jet, 4400. Now, if you ain't got a spray gun, you can go to Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, AutoZone, anywhere that sell spray paint. Get you a can of clear, you can do it with that. I just got the luxury to have a spray gun and some automotive clear, which is a lot better, but you can do it with spray cans. So, don't think you can't do it if you ain't got no spray gun. Here's my clear, 2-to-1 mixed ratio. Those are the lights, staged up, ready to be sprayed. I'll probably put at least 3 coats of clear on it. Let it flash in between coats, probably 15 to 20 minutes. All right, let's get started. Results of the lights restoration. It's been about 3 weeks since I actually did them. I just haven't had time to shoot a video. But this is what she looked like. Y'all tell me what y'all think. This, if y'all ain't trying to buy no new ones, you can just restore your old ones by spraying some clear. You don't actually have to use no clear in the gun. You can get some in the can, spray can. It'll work as well. Y'all stay tuned. More to come.